Hello, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to import your CAD file to your Sketchup. Now, before you start, make sure that you have a separate file for export. This should be clean without your concepts or your revision drawings because you want the file to be light. You'll end up working with a heavy file in SketchUp and it's gonna crash. That's a very common problem with students. So now, also make a copy of the property line with the contour lines because we are going to use this for the next activity. Now, you might want to get rid of the text because you don't need them anymore. So let's select similar to select everything and then just delete. You don't need the hatch, etc. Like keep your file as light as possible and keep it clean. Now, once you're happy with that, save it. I used a different file name. I saved it as for export. Next, go to your SketchUp. Now select architectural meters because we will be working with meters. The units for my CAD file is also in meters. Click on that. Click on File, then click on Import. Go look for your file, your CAD file. I saved mine under Desktop. And then click on the .dwg file. That is the file extension for AutoCAD. And then once you click on the file, options is gonna appear. So what you can see here. Click on options and then make sure that the units is in the same units that you want. So I'm using meters for everything. Click on OK and then click on import this part. So the import process is quite quick because I've already cleaned up the file. Now, the common problem with students is that they don't really clean up their CAD file, so it kind of crashes or it takes too long to import or export. So either way, you have to clean up your 3D model before exporting it or clean up the CAD file if you want to import it. Okay, so let's check if the units are correct. So I'm using 0.3 meter columns, like this side is 0.3. So let's take our dimension. Okay, so it's correct. Now you can basically make a 3D model out of this plan. Now, how do you import your CAD file using the web version of SketchUp? So now I'm using the free version, so it's very limited. But what do you do? So you basically click on the drop-down arrow and select the same units. So I'm using decimal meters. And then click on the three lines here on the left side. And then click on import. And then you save the file in your desktop, right? So I'm going to click on my device and then just click on the my device icon. Now, let's read the bottom part, which says for DWG files, you have to do an upgrade. So you can't really import your file using the free version. So what do you do for my students who don't have laptops or don't have the installed SketchUp program? You might want to ask your classmate or me to import the CAD file. And then we are going to save it. Let's go to our SketchUp program or desktop version. So let's say this. Then we're gonna save your file for you, or your classmate can maybe do that for you. Okay, just click on save basically. And then let's say for web, call it for web. Now your file type is now gonna be .skp. And then go to your web app and then open the SketchUp file. So click on open and click on this. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So basically, you can still work on your project um, even without your personal laptop with you. So once you have this, you can directly work on your 3D model. So a column is typically 3 meters high, so you can basically make your 3D model still using the web app or the SketchUp web. Okay. Now that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.